Catch the beat, right, left, right, left. So do what feels right for you in this. We're going to march quite wide in this routine, so just check that it feels right for you. Take it wide. So wide might be here, or it might be here, might be lifting the knees nice and high. Make it right for you. I'm going to stay somewhere in the middle. Feet back in. Doesn't look very, it looks very ungainly, this one. Take it wide. Feet into the centre. Well done. Too wide to in, so it goes out, out, in. Make it as wide or as small as you want. So it could be really wide. Add the arms if you can. Don't worry if you can't. Or just make it a small movement. Work with what feels right with your ankles. Marching in. And take it wide, or wider, whatever is right for you. 2 in, 2 out, in and wide. Hold it in. Take it wide. Let's do 2 each side. So tap and step, tap and step. Well done. If it doesn't work for you, if you can't quite get what I'm doing, make it up. As long as your body's comfortable and you're moving, it's all good. Well done. Marching in. Wide. Two in, 2 out. In. Well done. Start by lifting the heels. Faster if you can, but make it right for you. The toes stay on the ground, really working through the feet. Lift the heels as high as is comfortable. So it might just be here. If that's all you can manage, as long as you're beginning to feel the thighs working, that's good. Well done. Try and keep those hips as level as possible so we're not sticking them out to the side. Let's make that into a march. So you can make it really small if you want, or make it bigger. Well done. Tap behind. Tap. So lean forward slightly. Try and avoid arching your back too much. So it's only a small move. Well done. Stay facing me. I'm just turning sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Let's toe back to that jogger's walk. Well done. Keeping those toes on the ground, lifting the heels as high as is comfortable. And again, it could be all the way up or it could be really small. Work with your body. Knees should be coming straight forward. Take it to a march. So as high as is comfortable. So you could take it really high, or you could make it small. Let's take the legs out to the side, so we're tapping out. Tap out. Well done. Well done. Back to the jogger's walk. If you want to make it harder, you can add some arms. Maybe up. If you really want to work hard, take the arms high. I'm just going to take them in front for today. Take it to a march. You can keep the arms going if you want, or relax them. I'm going to relax mine. Toe tap in front. Point. Stay facing me again. Let's take the right foot only. Forward, side, behind, knee lift. Change sides. Forward, side, behind, knee lift. Change. Last one. Catch the beat, marching, feet nice and light. So we're going to march forward and backwards on this one. So if you're in a very small space, you might need to turn sideways. I'm going to so you can see what I'm doing. Stay facing me. If you need to. Marching forward. So whatever space you've got, I do a slight diagonal, that works for me. You need to be able to see me, but you also need the space to be able to move as far as is comfortable for you. So if you can come a long way, that's good for you. Make it bigger if you want. Or make it small. That's fine too. Your body, your workout. You do what feels right for you. So those that want it, we're going to make it a little bit harder. We're going to lift the knee at the front and back. Arms too if you want. So you can add the arms if it works for you. If that confuses you, just stay with the marching forward and back. I'm going to come forward to you. I'll come off camera slightly. Always feels rude to have my back to you or to be side on. And I have room here. I just come off camera. Last time forward like this, last time back, just march it forward and tap. Push the arms forward this time. I'm going to turn sideways again so you can see what I'm doing. Don't have to do the arms if that's hurting your shoulders. Try and keep them relaxed. We're going to change it a little bit next time. March, 2, 3, tap side. I'm keeping it quite small here, or you're not going to see what I'm doing, but make it as small or as big as you want. Ouch. That was a skirting board. Workouts are designed to be done in a small space, and I have a very small space here. Just go with the tap, arms in front. I'm going to move so you can see what I'm doing. You can change your directions if you want, makes it a bit more interesting. If you want to change to a corner, I'll leave that up to you. So working your shoulders quite hard. So drop them and swing them if that feels better. You don't have to change direction. Leave that up to you. Depends what space you've got. Just shake those arms out. And forward and back. Forward, roll back. Forward. Loosening through the arms. Try and let those arms really hang heavily as you do this. Just releasing the shoulders. March on the spot. Well done. Side steps. Well done. So just be aware of how your ankles feel. Make it as big or as small as you want. So you might want to make it bigger. Let's take the foot across this time, in front, tap across. If that doesn't work for your balance, just make it slightly in front, but if you can, take it all the way across. Back to normal side step. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. So you're probably on the opposite leg to me now. I tried to switch, but it doesn't always work. So trying to touch the opposite heel, but if that doesn't work, then just take it a little toe tap behind. You're really feeling it in your bum. I'm touching my heel behind. Turning to the side slightly. Come back center to face me. Change to the other side. If that gets too much, just take it to a little toe tap. Back center. Foot across. Maybe a little bit of a shake. You can stand on one leg, flick the leg softly across, or touch the toe in front, whatever feels right for you, for your body. It's your workout. Take it back to a side step. Shifting across to your left, so slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Are you ready? We're going to make it 2 steps in a moment. 2 steps, and back, well done. Little shuffle there to get on the beat. Hold it here, singles, double, single, well done, double, single, single. Well done. Just change that slightly. When we get to the end, you're going to come forward for forward and back, 2. 2 forward, 2 back. To the side for 2. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 to the other side, 2 forward, 2. 2, singles forward, singles back, double, singles forward, well done. Particularly well done if I haven't confused you yet. Well done, just shake it. Side step, well done. So beginning to bring the heart rate down a little bit now with a gentle movement. Foot across the body. Well done. Just keep it gentle. Those arms relaxed. Let's take it 2 steps. Catch your breath. If you're still feeling a little bit breathless now, please, please, please make it smaller. This is our cool down, getting us nice and relaxed. Have a breath. Well done. Single side steps. Keep it as small as you need to, make it comfortable. Almost on the spot now. Take that foot behind. Hold the right foot back, lift it down and lift. Push it down and lift. So if feet are about hip width apart, you should be able to balance nicely. If your feet are too close together, you're going to struggle with this. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Let's hold that heel down, lean slightly forward. The front knee is above the ankle, adjust the foot. So it might need to be a little bit further away if you're not feeling a stretch in here in the calf muscle. If that's too tight, bring it here. Relax forward, relax your back, relax your upper body, lean on the leg if you need to, and just hold that stretch. Well done. Let's change sides. Taking the other leg back, lift and lower, return to the other side. So again, my feet are fairly wide, wide enough to be balanced, lifting up onto the toe, pushing the heel down. Adjust that front leg so that as you straighten the leg, whether it be here or whether it be here, that you're getting that heel just to the floor. Let's hold that there. Well done. Feel the stretch in your calf. Relax the upper body. Well done.